How to use MasterCard gift card on Valorant. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use your MasterCard gift card on your Valorant account. So first of all you have to do is just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just search for mastercardgiftcard.com, and you will be landed to the official website of the MasterCard, where you can go ahead and purchase the MasterCard of your choice. So just click on choose your card, and here just select the card that you would want to purchase from here. For example, I want to purchase this Thanks Gold gift card on the MasterCard. So just select it, and you can also select the mail version, plastic version, or the e-card form version of the MasterCard gift card. So I'm just going to select email version, and just select the amount of the money that you would want in your card. Just enter the recipient email. In that case, you would only be the recipient because you want to use the MasterCard gift card for yourself. And after that, just enter the recipient name and the sender name, and you can also add the message, and just click on add to cart. And once you're done purchasing your MasterCard gift card, you will receive an email with your MasterCard details. Just handy your MasterCard gift card details with you, and just open your Valorant account over here. And after that, just simply click on matches from here, from the top right corner, and there you will be able to see the option called sale. Just click on it. And now just choose any of the apparel or the things that you would want to purchase from your Valorant account. For example, I want to buy this tee. And once you put that product into your cart, just click on checkout. And you will be landed to the checkout page in your Valorant account. And over here, you need to select a payment method of your choice. You can choose from ShopPay, PayPal, and Google Pay. And then just enter your contact information like your shipping address and your other information like your email address and other details. And on the right hand side, you will see the option called discount code. Over here, you need to mention the MasterCard gift card that you have just purchased from your MasterCard website, and just enter your MasterCard card number or card code over here, and after that click on apply. And once you added the MasterCard into your Valorant account, the amount of product that you are purchasing from your Valorant account will be deducted from your MasterCard quite easily. And that is how you will be able to use your MasterCard gift card on your Valorant account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.